Hello everyone, I'm here with Meyer Motors, here to show you our 2018 Chevy Colorado ZR2. This vehicle does have the 2.8 Duramax. Also, this vehicle does have wireless charging, engine exhaust brake, cargo light, heated front seats. Also, it does have the rear seat reminder, teen driver mode, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This vehicle does have cruise control. If we take a look on the outside, it is the graphite metallic. It has the ZR2 badge on the front grille right there. This vehicle does have the spray and bed liner, and then it has the ZR2 badge also on the bed liner. This is what the back seat looks like. If you want to pull it up, like the seats go up and the cushion here, if you pull this up, you can move it. I can't do it right now because I don't have two hands, but yeah, you just pull up on this lever and then it will pull up and fold, and then to unfold it you just pull it and then you push down and then it will go back down. This is the trailer brake controller. Also, if I put it in reverse, it does have a rear vision camera. That is all I have on this Colorado. If you have any other questions, please just give us a call or visit our website at gomeyermotors.com. Thanks for watching.